It's Thursday. Near the end of the week already. Time flies. Yeah, this is technically the day after the football match. If I wasn't, doing Hollywood style and filming it actually before the match. So obviously this is Thursday. It was a good match, wasn't it? The good team won, best team won. Good result all round, I think. Yeah, it makes the World Cup a lot better, that match did. The chances both sides had. Yeah. So that's good. There's a phone. I'll talk to you in a second. Okay, a phone call from one of the real bosses. That took a while, so that's good. Sorted that out. So, what was I going to say? Some pops in my head. Just before this, so, wife, we've just gone for a bloody long walk. Not that I'm that fit anyway, but 4 hours walking. We went for a pub lunch, lovely, but my legs are knackered. I've just had to still come out here because I need to do it. I expect you can see. I think I caught the sun. So where were we? So we got it on the spit around the other way now. So what I'm going to try and do is see if we can roll it over a little bit. We'll take the board underneath out, and let's see if we can get inside this wheel arch, weld a bit more of the front end on. I was hoping to get the box section done this one, but that phone call just took a bit longer than I thought, so we're running out of time already. So let's crack on and see if we can roll it over a bit and see what we can do. And somehow I managed to get a cold as well. What is this? I'm just dying. Anyway, so yeah, got it rolled over a little bit. As I said, I think might have to puff the back mount up a bit, this front mount, to get it to roll over completely. So yeah, again then, let me just move you over. Oh, man your heads. Sorry about that. Yes, I must tidy up. I'm feeling not good. So let's, can you see in there? I don't know what the light's like, I'm afraid. So yeah, you can see where I've repaired this section. You can see this panel now. Just needs clamping up, but it's just a bit, well, I've put the folded lip on the bottom. Doesn't need to be now. That front bit just needs to fold away so it's flat. And then we get that clamped in. It's a bit hard to get clamps in there sometimes, so sometimes it's easier just to drill a little hole and put a little PK in, just to pull the two panels together. And the same again for this one, we need to pull that together and it gets that on. So I think let's try and aim just to get that done, and we can call it quits. So I don't really think there's going to be much update, but let's give it a go. Just to try and pad this video out a little bit more, and so I don't have to do anything. Yeah, good old John, my old neighbour across the road, gave me these clamps years ago. Never gave them back to him after he moved. Anyway, so they're really good, real long reach, a bit old school, but they're really good. They're not very good sort of real clamping pressure, they say. Twist and bend a bit, but for holding two panels together, that's good. Managed to get the grips through the other one. I've lost my other grips, they were here somewhere. Mk1 there. Yeah, so let me just see if I can find the other clips. Sorry George, who gave me the mole grips before at my meet and greet last year. Your mole grips, your head was too big, so it wouldn't fit in the hole. So I do apologise, I couldn't use yours. So yeah, let's go with that. Let's get the welder on. Alrighty, use my mask. I try and use it all the time, and thanks guys the other day shouting out when I don't use it. So yeah, give me a dislike if you see me not using it, because I should use it. And yeah, I must use it. So yeah, that's good. Not very clean, but it's not too bad actually. It's just a couple of stitch welds down the little flap, and I did a couple of big plug welds, 3 plug welds, where the front valance meets the inner wing. That's not too bad. That'll clean up all right. I'm thinking of not doing too much etch primer, seeing as though I've got shot blaster coming in a few weeks, so no point, because it's all just going to get shot blasted off, and we can go from there. So, and we'll just get it in epoxy primer straight after that, hopefully. That's the idea anyway. Right, that's that other side done. It's very hot. I think I'm sunburnt. I'm going to have to get the wife to put a bit of after sun on me if he will be like that. You never know. And yeah, so that's that side done, give or take. Clean it up with a bit of us. We'll try and get the soft pad in there. Yeah, let's get the soft pad in there. Make a bit of noise. It's nice and warm. Okay, cleaned up with a grinder. It's come up alright. That'll be fine. Bit of stone chip all inside there. Or I'm thinking of using, I bought a load of stone chip, the old grabby tacks I've used before, but I have seen that they could do a new one called Raptor. I think a few people have recommended it. Basically what you can do is you can then add it, you can add your 2-pack colour to it. So in this instance it'll be almond green, so basically I can mix in the almond green, fire on this stone chip type stuff which is called Raptor, but you just use it from a stone chip gun. But it comes out the same colour as the car's going to be, so it'll be ideal for underneath. So I'll try and sort some of that out. So yeah, that'll look all good inside, all under there, so that's all going to be fine. It's going to be nice. Not going to bother modifying the front panel like near the number plate brackets or anything like that, just to become Mk1. Geez, the next owner can do all that if they're really that fussed. There's only holes a number plate on. So yeah, I don't know what other changes are. I'm sure there's a few other little differences. This is, I think, the 64. We've worked this out before that we don't have to fill this in, but I double checked the logbook, I guess, on the age, and just you guys tell me. I'm pretty sure it's, you guys have said it before, 62s, you know, they changed and they vented that because that's like, they basically take that balance out there, that corner section, to allow more air to the brakes, so the brakes, I guess, overheated because they're so super hot. But yeah, so yeah, it's on the spit. I don't know if anyone's already seen the spit. Let me just take that off. For the viewers that haven't been watching all my old videos from the start, basically you can see there I've got 2 supports just bolted to the ground, and basically a scaffold pole goes through, mounting off the 2 suspension points, or these shock absorber points on this point, with the U-bolts clamped on. With a scaffold pole you can do this with a Mk1 easily, because you have a hole there and you also have a hole there. But there's technically nothing stopping you doing this to a later Mini if you just cut the hole yourself, just to keep it simple. Having a pole through the middle just allows you to, just, you know, it just makes it so much easier to hang and easy to make. The other types of rollovers sort of bolt just at the front and the back, which, you know, are perfectly good as well, and really, you know, good, you know, they are good, but they're just a lot harder to make in one go. This way you don't have to rely too much on strength. I'm relying on 2 cheap U-bolts, exhaust hanger bolts, to hold the whole car up. So yes, you can definitely feel it's getting a bit heavier with all the doors on, front subframe on. But yeah, we're getting there. So yeah, that's it for now. I'm going to go inside. I'm too hot, sunburnt, my legs ache. Chicken fajitas, not chicken fajitas, turkey mince wraps. Turkey mince, you fry it, mix a load of mayonnaise in with it, bung it in a wrap, some peppers. It's all good. So anyway, till next time, we will get to this roof one day, I promise. I know you're all waiting for it, but check out my old, if you are interested in how I did the rollover thing, there is a couple of videos somewhere. Check the playlists out if you haven't already checked playlists. I'll try and categorise some. Please let me know if you think I should have different playlists as well, if I haven't sorted them out. Anyway, enough waffling, not much progress, but some progress, which is good. Bye bye.